Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. Hello there, my friends. Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be going over a project that I have actually already talked about, but interesting fact, they have changed their name just a little bit to make a little more sense, in my opinion. Plus, they are now verified on Twitter, which is very exciting. Just wanted to do an update on OVR, formerly OVR, now OVER. That's right, my friends. So, as I said, I think that is an immensely smart thing to go ahead and just do right off the bat. And we're going to go over a couple of different links today that I wanted to kind of touch through, focus on the project, tell you a little bit more about it, follow up on it. But for those of you who kind of haven't seen it, for those of you who have, there's still more information to be had on this video. So we can see here, as I mentioned, they are verified. Congratulations to them. That's really exciting. And this is a project I caught on to before their verification a little bit early on. And it's cool, man. They've really been blowing up on the numbers. This was one of those projects when I first got a hold of it, the numbers were a good bit smaller as well. And I just knew that there was promise and potential in what they're going to allow for their users. This project is so great if you're an artist, so great if you're a creative type person. I myself am always talking about how big of a D&D fan I am. And with Dungeons and Dragons, it's all about self-creation, make your own character, feel as a part of the story as possible. So we'll get into why that's important as well in this project in a moment. But you can see here it is an AR NFT Metaverse platform that layers over the entire world. Imagine, create, and sell experiences for B2B/B2C. Plus, join us. Curious? Download the app. And that is downloadable. And then if you're interested in anything else, by the way, definitely go through and check them out over here on their Discord page as well. I was just going through the About section, or the announcements, Now, this is their brand guidelines, so you can see here, and all of the links are going to be in the description. If you have any questions, just check out the links, because, again, please keep in mind, I should mention this, of course, up front. This is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to talk about this kind of thing. So with that being said, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Don't invest just because I talk about a project, but make sure to do research before making any investment possible, and only invest a proper amount that you are, willing to do so with. So with that being said, let's jump back into this. So they've got their press kit with the brand guidelines and the graphic kit. Now, I was able to open my graphic kit on my other computer. For some reason, I was not able to easily access and open it for you guys to kind of see here. But it's just we can see the logo up here. It's got cool logos. It's got cool branding and kind of graphics as to what they'll have. So I will have the link for this. Check this out. Open it up. Check that out. It is super cool. That'll just show you a little bit of how much they care about this project, how much they're putting into just graphics, right? That kind of thing. Now, they have a TINUS affiliate program. Be part of the 3D creators. Launch your clothing collection on the OVER Metaverse. That's right, my friends. They are allowing you to, as they say, unleash your creativity and publish your creations. Now, to kind of give you a little bit of what this opener is, well, the kind of first page that I was on, Fashion meets AR, express yourself in the OVER Metaverse, just because these kind of go together. Define and redefine your digital identity with greater avatar customization. As we discussed, we have expanded OVER's avatar wardrobe with a new app feature that allows 3D content creators and fashion brands to design assets for your avatar. The previous version offered standard clothing items and preset outfits that prevented users from truly expressing their unique style. We see the AR Metaverse as a platform where art, design, and technology intersect, and we want to nurture this convergence. So this new feature promotes the creativity and passion of the creator community, offers 3D artists an opportunity to explore augmented reality and NFTs, which is great practice for you, right? Gives users more way to express themselves, and kickstarts over digital economy, because you can make money off of that, right? And that's so cool for 3D graphic creators who also love the fashion world or just want to learn how to better work in their field, I think, in my opinion. dedicated space for NFT wearables. You can purchase 3D avatar fashion items, NFT wearables, at the Over Marketplace. Creators and brands will have dedicated sections for users to purchase NFT fashion items. And what do you want to be in Web3? Jump over to the Over Metaverse. Start defining your digital identity. You can check out more articles like this from Over as well as to the expansion. Just kind of wanted to give you that little synopsis and then read that article with you. So that's why we didn't start out with it. The Metaverse, a place to express yourself. Now, just to mention this as well, jump into your Over Metaverse, create your avatar, and personalize it with the clothes you love the most. Now, here's what's really cool. So you can actually make, because it's not just the clothing, it's the avatar as well. They're really heavily pushing the clothing, and I think that's something so smart and cool to do. But I did just want to go ahead and mention this part of it. Before I do get into the whole digital part, because I want to go ahead and section this in, they also do have the OVR token. So that being said, so they're ramping up onboarding process by making it easier to obtain OVR tokens. They're integrating Ramp with the Over Marketplace so transactions can be made effortlessly in the Over Metaverse. Previously, users have had to manage their tokens to OVR and were limited to swapping 100 tokens per month. Now with Ramp, the process is all decentralized. What is Ramp? Ramp is a non-custodial, full-stack payment infrastructure that allows users to buy crypto directly from a DApp. Why use Ramp? OVR tokens are completely decentralized. Users from other countries such as the US can now buy OVR tokens using a credit card. Easy enough, right? OVR tokens can be purchased through other means of payment such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, and MasterCard, and you can read more about Ramp as well. So I did want to kind of go ahead and throw that part in, because if this is a project you're interested in playing in, whatever, you'd also of course be interested in their token as well. So that's mostly why I'm kind of discussing that. Now, your digital identity. Why photorealistic avatars? We love your uniqueness, and that's why we made it easier for you to show up as yourself in the metaverse. We use a face tracking and lip sync system that synchronizes with your avatar, so when you emote in the real world, gets expressed in the Over Metaverse. Now, it's interesting that they're doing this and putting the kind of time, effort, and money into this sort of thing, because technically it should be very doable. They've been doing it in film for a long time. So it's interesting that more games don't try to do something like that. And I think that that's something that's more realistically able to be done not cheaply and inexpensively, but fairly simply for someone who knows what they're doing in that realm, I would have to assume. But so yeah, that's why I think that it's really cool that they're pushing towards doing that. I just think that it's one of those things that I would love to see more in VR games, and I don't feel like I see enough of, so that's awesome. Have you finished creating and styling your avatar? If you like your new look, then get ready to join the experiences in the Over Metaverse, and you can see some pictures over here of what it looks like. Meet new people, new friends, or invite others to join you. Visit one of our many art galleries from famous 3D artists, dance to different beats mixed by Metaverse DJs, or attend a live event. Make sure to dress your avatar for the right occasion. Get recognized in the Over community by your unique style, which is pretty cool, the idea of like being recognized or recognizing your friends when you're playing this game. Expand your Over wardrobe, make the presence known in the Metaverse, create unique styles that reflect your personality, and I love these two way different styles, right? Show your distinctive taste. If you can dream it, you can be it. Presence and standard clothing. So they made it quick and easy to jump over to the Over Metaverse. Into the Over Metaverse. First, create a profile, then a few simple steps. Create your avatar, choosing the present styles you can mix and match. So, and then again, the 3D stylists and fashion houses, which are coming soon. So, casual, punk, classic, or ethnic. Over is a platform for all styles. Buy the creations of 3D artists and fashion houses. Let the Metaverse know who you are. And I love that they're supporting 3D artists like that. Are you 3D art clothes stylists? Participate in our program. And you can, of course, join the Tinus program as well, which we were kind of discussing that, the Tinus affiliate program. So making our way, rounding all the way back there, it was all a plan, my friends, all a plan for me to kind of get back to this. So definitely, if you're interested in this kind of thing as well, I know I have tons of artists who watch this channel. Please check it out, my friends. I'd be so excited to see some work from you guys. You know, if anyone is interested in doing this, tell me about it. I'll show off your work, especially like if you were to make something and have it, published in this metaverse, I'll show it off on the channel. Send it to me. And with that being with all of that being said, my friends, thank you for coming by CryptoCoins again. remember, today we talked about formerly OVR, if you watched the last video, now over. So this was a wonderful time. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.